take this for a short right here at the ask. If we can get in this. Alright, we are in this. We're now at 54.03. It tried to climb there for a little bit and didn't succeed. Market is climbing though. We're not going to give this one too much time here. If it goes over the highs, we're just going to come out of it. Alright, this is looking like it's going to go over the highs here. Alright, we're going to come out of this. Let's push this up a little bit here. Come on, get out of this thing. Alright, we're out. Took a 40-cent loser on that. Took a chance there, but it's still climbing. We're out. Roku, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid if we can get in this. Alright, we got 100. Alright, we're full in. This thing looks great here to pop over the top here. Look at this thing. Target on this is going to be over 142 and stop loss is going to be below 140.50 area. Look at the daily. Look at the daily here. Perfect bull flag ready to go. Let's see if we can get this thing going here. Having a hard time here. Come on, let's blast over the top here. Take out all those short stops. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going to come out of this right here. Alright, we're out. We only took about, what is that, 20 cents. But it should have climbed. In my opinion, it should have climbed already. It didn't. So chances are it's probably going to drop here. And look, and there it is. It's dropping. And look at it drop. Roku, look at this thing. Still dropping. Still dropping. Just in time we got out of that thing. TSLA, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. We can get in this. This thing looks great. TSLA, alright, we are in long. 757.28. I'll give this about a 2-point stop loss and a 2-point gain here. But this is a nice pattern here. Alright, we're at our stop here. Close to it. TSLA, we're at our stop. Went really fast below our stop, but it's coming right back up. We think this thing takes off right here. Here we go. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We can get 760. That'd be great. Let's get a little bit more here. Alright, let's take this right here if we can. Alright, nice. Nice. Look at that. We got that. We got that. Not all of that. Look at that thing. It's still going. It's still going. But we got about close to 3 points on this one. Very close to 3 points. And it's still going. This thing is a beast. But if we look at the pattern here, look at this thing. You know, we had a lot of buyers at the open, sold off a little bit. And then the buyers came in again, sold off a little bit. And here they're coming in again. So we got buyers most of the morning here. So look at that. Just a couple of red candles and mostly green. This thing's probably going to go to 770 maybe, you know. Market, if we look at the SPY, the market is climbing also. So TSLA, look at this thing. Still going. We just got out of it a couple of candles ago, and it's still going. Look at that thing move. Unbelievable. Ntap, we're going to take this for another short right here at the ask. We can get in this. Should have climbed already. It didn't climb, so we think it's going to drop here. Alright, we are in at 54.10. We took it early, and we took a 40-cent loser on it. But it never climbed. Market is climbing. This thing isn't climbing. I think once it loses steam, it's just going to drop. So target on this thing is going to be about 53. Stop loss is going to be over 54.60 area. Ntap, we're going to come out of this right here. I don't like this trade. Alright, we're out. We're out with the second loser on this trade. It should have dropped there, you know, and it didn't. So I'm thinking it's just going to climb here. Took a, what is that, a 25-cent loss on that, a little over 25 cents. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here. This looks great to continue. It broke already the lows, but I think it continues to drop. It's not even going to get full size here, only 100 shares. Alright, we'll cancel that. We got 100 shares. Target on this thing is going to be about 38. Stop loss is going to be about 39, about a point each way. For it to drop this much, I think it's got more drop in it. Alright, we're actually going to enter with another 100 shares right here at the ask if we can get in it. Alright, now we get 200 shares. Stop loss is going to be over 140 and target's going to be about 138. I think it drops though. It's got a nice downtrend there. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Got about 50 cents. Alright, let's take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. we got a little over 50 cents. We got about 60 cents on that trade. Just in case it bounces, if we look at it right here, this is yesterday's close. It's been dropping for a while. It broke this consolidation area here, which we wrote it down for a little bit. And it has been doing really good. If we look at the daily here, we got a nice bull flag. I probably shouldn't have even shorted it there, but you know, you can't deny there's going to be a lot of stops in this area. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Market is dipping at the moment now, but it is pretty much riding at all-time highs. So we're going to call it a day here. We're up 469. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on TSLA and our biggest loser on ntap. We actually took 2 losses on ntap. Thanks for watching.